If you've lost access to your Capital One account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Go to the official Capital One website. Look for the sign-in option and click on it to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username or Password. On the login page, find the link that says Forgot Username or Password. Click on this link to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SRCom link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Review account activity. Once your identity is verified, you may be asked to review recent account activity. Check for any unauthorized transactions and report them if necessary. Step 5. Reset your password. After reviewing your account, you will have the option to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password and follow the prompts to complete the reset. Once you've completed these steps, you should regain access to your Capital One account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Capital One customer service for further assistance.